Hey y'all, today I'm going to be showing you how to make ribeyes. It is a world favorite and easy to make, but it's also easy to mess up. So please pay attention and let's go ahead and get started, shall we? Alright guys, go ahead and start opening up your steaks. Today I'm going to be using thin ribeyes because my pockets told me that I couldn't afford any thick ribeyes, and that's perfectly fine. So I'm just going to show you how I made mine. Go ahead and take them out of this obscene amount of plastic or whatever packaging yours came in, and take your paper towels or any kind of towel that you may have and pat dry your steaks and wipe up all juices that may have come off the steaks. Next, after patting them dry, we're going to liberally season our steaks with salt and black pepper. Yes, that's all you need. Gordon Ramsay said so. So once you do that and you think that you've added enough seasoning, I'm telling you, go back and season it some more. Set your steaks aside until they come to room temperature. Once they come to room temperature, go ahead and add your skillet to your burner or to your stove top. I'm using a burner, so mine's going to be cooking a little unevenly. Add some vegetable oil, and once it has heated up to the high temperature, go ahead and lay your steaks in away from you so that oil or anything like that doesn't hit you and hurt you and cause you to have big boo-boos. Now, once you do that, we're going to sear them for only 1 to 2 minutes on each side because these are thin steaks and you don't want a well done steak. We're looking for a good medium rare to rare steak, but that may not happen considering how thin they are. After they've seared and you've turned it over, add you a big knob of salted butter, some rosemary, and fresh peeled garlic into the pan. And once you've done that, we're going to start butter basting the top of the seared steaks. As you can see, my burner only cooks in the middle, so it only got the sear in the middle or on the sides of the steaks, and that is very unfortunate for our steaks right now. So after that, just go ahead and just start butter basting like I said before, and that's only about 30 seconds, you guys, because once it's been cooking, you don't want it to cook all the way. And you can turn your steaks any other different ways to make sure you render more of the fat onto the steaks, which gives it a little bit more flavor, and flavor is everything when it comes to steaks. Now take them off and go ahead and let them rest, like have a little nap on your plate before you devour them. After you've done that, let them rest for about anywhere from 10 to 15 minutes. After adding on all that extra melted butter and juices that you may have left over in that pan. And y'all, these were so good and delicious, I promise you. Even a thin steak can make you weep. It was so good. I hope you enjoy this recipe, and please don't forget to leave me a follow and check out my Instagram and my TikTok. Alright guys, happy steak eating!